Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon. This video, I'm presenting you this video. So we can see them, and these are the waste that we we have produced. These are the waste you can see, and they have collected this waste today. They have collected this amount of waste today from our village, Chengabasti. You can see them. We must thank them that they are cleaning our nature. Though they are doing this for their life, to the to buy necessary things, they are doing this to run their family. They are doing this, and they are cleaning the nature too. So we must thank them, and we must also bless them that they may be healthy. They are the rack pickers, and this amount of waste they have collected today. This is the amount of waste they have collected today, and I thank them, and we should thank them. Though they are doing this to run their life, but they are cleaning the nature. I thank them from the heart, and I pray for their good health, and so that they may continue their service to clean our mother nature. So I hope everyone will like and comment in this video and give them some blessings and prayers. Thank you.